My name is Bushra Shabi and I am going to represent my AI generative app, that is Medical Speed AI Voice Driving Medical Assistant. My team leader are Syed Ammar Iqbal Ahmed and the teammates are Shahzad Ahmed, Shahzada Khurram and Nagin Shahid. These are the contents of my presentation. It will cover project overview, project and product overview, key features, overall functioning, its code explanation, explanation and practical demonstration, major parts of the code, deployment details and links, its link and future scope. The project overview of MedSpeak AI voice driving medical assistant is it is AI powered app for the medical assistant. It will be run on voice driving systems recognition and then its response. It is deployed on Hugging Face spaces. Okay, its product overview is it is a Speak AI is a voice driven medical assistant that provides immediate relief recommendation for common ailments. It uses speech recognition and a Hugging Face question answering model to respond to user queries about symptoms and treatment. Its key features are first, it will transcribes the user voice input into the text. The text to speech convert audio input into text using Google speech recognition. Then medical requirements provide treatments recommendation based on the medical database. We are using Hugging Face model that is deep set Roberta based squad 2 for generating responses when no exact match is found in the database. Okay, this app is deployed on Hugging Face spaces with no API token is required. Now the function overview. For this app, we are required to generate two apps, that is app.pv and second is medicaldata.csv file. For this app, we are using Hugging Face model and a data set. Here is the complete description of how code will work. First of all, audio transition. The user will first speak their symptoms into the app. The audio of the user transcribed into the text using the speech recognition library. Next step is the question processing. If the symptoms matches with the database, the app will provide the corresponding treatment. But if there is no match is found, the Hugging Face generate a general response. An output will be shown at the app that will display the described query and the medical responses. For this app, we are using some Python packages that are Gadio, Pandas, Transformer, Torch, Speech Recognition, and PyDub. This is the practical view of real-time view of our app. You can see that here is a query is displayed on the image of our app. That is we can say that a voice is recorded and the speech will be transcribed into the text, that is I have a headache and fever. In response, AI will generate its medical response for the query. Here's another example of our app, that is the query was I have a stomach pain, please suggest a remedy. In response, this app will provide a medical response and its recommendation for the user. Okay, our app is deployed at the following link. It can easily access publicly. No IP token is required for our app. These are the future scope of our app. We can deploy it by using different doctor recommendation with respect to age, gender, and location wise recommendation. These are the complete integration points for our code. Data set is can be replaced by medical data.cfs for the expanded coverage. Its model can be replaced by deep set robotic based score 2 for enhanced medical understanding. And final interface screen share is already shared. And now I will try to show you practical implementation of our app.
Hello everyone, this is a short video explaining the functioning of our app MedSpeak AI voice-driven medical assistant. It's a web app which takes illness symptoms as inputs and provides a medical response based on an AI model and a medical specific data sets. It's important to note that the medical response or the recommendations are for immediate relief in case of common ailments only and for adequate medical advice, diagnoses, or in case of severe symptoms, the doctor should be consulted immediately. So without further ado, I will dive into the functioning of the app. Uh, Here is the input audio box. You can upload by clicking here. We can upload a pre-recorded audio symptoms file, or we can upload a live recording. I will do that. I'll click on record. I have stomach pain. Please suggest a remedy. I will stop the recording and submit it, and it suggests the remedy to take antacids and rests. We'll try with a couple more examples. I have fever and cough. What should I do? So now it changes response and it's recommended to take ibuprofen and rest. Let's check what should I do in case of a joint pain. I need an immediate remedy for joint pain. So it's recommended to take NSAIDs, which are also over-the-counter medicine. So that's how the app is functioning. There is room for improvement. There are the feature scopes are also listed. Thank you for your attention. That's all.
And that's all for my presentation.